So, you wanna know how the plane flies, huh? I'll tell ya. Stick with me to the end of the video and you will know it all. My name is Musab and let's dive right into it. So, despite the size of the plane, there are 4 forces acting on it. It could be an Airbus 380 or a Cessna 150, same 4 forces. These forces are lift, and the force acting against it is weight, and thrust, and the force acting against it is drag.
I'm so damn confused.
If you're getting confused already, relax. It won't be confusing once I'm done explaining. Let's take it from the top. Let's start with lift. Obviously, lift is generated by the wings, but how exactly does that happen? When the airplane is moving forward, the air passes over the wing, but also under the wing. And because of the unique shape of the wing, which has a curve in the upper side, this curve makes the airflow pass over the wing at a greater speed than under the wing. Let's pause here for a sec and explain a quick simple physics law discovered by this dude, Daniel Bernoulli, and this law is referred to as Bernoulli's principle. It states that a total energy in any system remains constant. Let's simplify it a little bit. If a particular system has 10 elements of energy, if the energy in 5 of those elements increased, the energy in the other 5 elements will decrease to counterbalance it. Now let's look at it this way.
This way.
If you have a river that is 100 feet wide, but there is a section of the river that is only 50 feet wide, what would happen to the flow of water in this narrow section? The water flow will be faster in the narrow part, but it will have to sacrifice pressure to keep the energy balanced. Everybody has to make sacrifices, even water, I'm telling you. So the area where the water flow is faster will have a lower pressure than the area where the water flow is slower. See, I told you, quick and simple.
Simple.
Now, going back to our original topic, we said that the curved shape of the upper wing makes the airflow over the wing go faster than the airflow under the wing. So, if we considered Bernoulli's principle here, the airflow over the wing is faster, so that means it had to sacrifice what? It had to sacrifice pressure to balance the energy. So that makes the pressure over the wing less than the pressure under the wing, and this difference in pressure is what causes the airplane to lift off of the ground.
Oh, I see.
Second force is the force acts against the lift, weight. This one is so simple that I barely need to explain anything. The force of weight is the result of gravity pulling down an object. If you need this to be explained, man, I don't know what to tell you. Next force is thrust. Thrust is produced by the engines, where the engines push the air backward, which makes the plane move forward. Newton's third law says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The action is pushing the air backward by the engine, and the reaction is the plane moving forward. Last force is drag. Drag is the air resistance the airplane experiences when moving forward through the air. You gotta understand this aspect, it's really important. To have drag, you need motion. Without motion, there's no drag. The airplane parts generate different types of drag, but I'll get into that in a different video. For now, let's have an example. If you're walking in a swimming pool, it is harder to walk because of the resistance of water slowing you down. The water pressing against you in this case is the drag, and your motion walking through the water is the thrust, if that makes sense. You had to move to generate drag, otherwise there will be no drag. So, to sum it up, for the airplane to take off, you need the 4 forces acting on the airplane to balance as follows. You're gonna need the lift to overcome the weight, so the plane lift off of the ground, and the thrust to overcome the drag so the airplane moves forward. And once you're already in the air, to maintain a steady flight, you're gonna need the lift to balance the weight so the plane is not climbing or descending, and you're gonna need the thrust to overcome the drag so you're actually going forward, you're actually going somewhere.
So this is it.
So this is it. We have reached the end of the video, and I hope that you have a better understanding about how airplanes fly. So there are 4 forces acting in this video. You got the like, if you enjoyed the video, the subscribe to reach more similar content, the share to show support, and the comments to let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for the next videos. I'll see you next time.